Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we'll discuss about commit in Git, right? So in the previous class we had discussed about adding and removing files in Git. So in this class we will discuss about commit in Git. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about adding and removing files in Git. So here adding means staging. Here adding files means staging and removing files means unstaging. See, we had added, so it is a staged files. So all these files are staged files. So here it is saying use git rm -" cached in the file name to unstage, which means to remove the files in the Git, right? So what is staging? Adding files in the Git. And what is unstaged? Removing files in the Git. So I hope you understand what is staging and unstaging, right? So after staging, so all the files are ready to commit, right? These files are ready to commit. So after staging, all these files will be ready to commit, right? So how can you do the commit? So by typing this statement. So what is the statement? Git commit, right? Git commit -m. So m means message. So what I had written, saving files in the repo. It's ready to save the files in the repo, right? So these are the 11 files that I have committed, right? These are the files that I had committed. So after that, if I do git log, if I do git log, so it will give the changes that you had made, right? So it will give the author and the email address and the date and day, and it will give the message which you had written while committing. See here, you have written saving files in the repo, right? So that statement will be displayed by using git log statement, right? So after that, I had run git status, right? Git status. So it is saying on branch master nothing to commit, working tree is clean, which means, for example, in the starting, if I do git status, it is giving the some files, right? Right. So after committing, and if I do again git status, it is saying on branch master nothing to commit and working tree is clean, which means all the files have moved to the repo, right? All the files have moved to a repo, right? So after that, so all the files are committed. All the files are committed and nothing to commit, right? After committing, if I do some changes in this file, for example, if I consider comments.html file, and if I go to that file, right? So here I have just click enter and I have given space here. So consider 20 line as a space. So space is also considered as the changes, right? Space is also considered as the change, right? So if I do git status -" short, if I do git status -" short, so then you'll get my m comments.html, which means you have some changes, like you had done some changes in comments.html, right? Right? It is showing only comments.html. The rest of the files are same, right? The rest of the files have committed, but comments.html, that you have some changes you have made, so you have to commit again. It's telling to commit again. So what you have to do is you have to write this command called git commit -a, right? So -a means that file is staged, right? So whatever changes that you have made in the comments.html, that file first have to be staged, right? Right? After that only we have to do the commit, right? So to stage that file, we are using -a, and we have to commit it, right? Anywhere. So I'm using -n, and I have written some message updated comments.html with the new line. new line, right? So I had written some statement here. So after that, if I do git log, so what git log will tell you? It will tell the changes that you had made. So it will tell you the changes. So recently you have done updated comments.html with the new line, right? So previously you were having saving files in the repo, right? So it says previous thing, and after that you have done some updation. So after that you have got this statement, right? Right? So it is called the changes that you had made by using Git, right? So I hope you understand what is commit, right? What is commit? And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.